Let me tell you something that should probably worry you if you are a software developer. The scary part about the AI is not that it can write a code. It's that companies are getting comfortable letting it do the work, and there is a number that really puts this into perspective. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, has reportedly crossed $65 billion in an annual revenue run rate. Just think about it, a company built around AI is going at a crazy speed. But here is what I really want developers to pay attention to. This is not about AI replacing every developer tomorrow. That's not how it's going to happen. It's going to happen slowly. One company figures out how to do the work with 10 developers instead of 20. Another company uses AI to ship twice as fast. Another company realizes it doesn't need to hire 5 people for a particular project. And slowly, the expectation of what one developer should be able to do keeps going up. That's the real change. Because if your biggest advantage is, I know how to write code, AI is coming directly at that advantage. But if you can understand the problem, design the solution, use AI effectively, make the right technical decisions, and actually own the outcome, that's a different game. So don't spend all your time asking, will AI replace me? Ask yourself something else. If AI makes code 10 times easier, what becomes more valuable about me? That's the question I think every developer should be asking right now. I'll keep breaking down what's happening in global tech and what it actually means for your career. So follow me if you want that kind of content. And if you want personal guidance on your career, my one-on-one coaching link is in the description and the first comment. See you in the next video.